please, as someone who's been a hairstylist for over 30 years, stop trying to say names of haircuts when you go in. You see this all over social media: mid-taper fade, low fade, mid this, taper that, high this, whatever it is, mop top. I'm telling you right now, yes, okay, let's just say there's certain names like a pompadour, a mullet, an undercut, a slick back, classic hairstyle, medium length layers. Like, those are good cosmetic names and really do give a good understanding of the haircut. However, so many of you are focused on finding a quote-unquote name of a haircut, thinking that just by saying a name is going to get you a better haircut. And in my experience and what I'm seeing all over social media, that's not always the case, because it's all over TikTok. These clients go into these barber shops and these TikTok barbers or whatever. The client will say, yeah, mid-drop fade. And then they'll get a mid-drop fade, but the entire top of their hair is completely butchered or destroyed, or a haircut that just simply does not look good on them. And I think the hair professionals are leaving it up to the clients to say a name of a haircut, and the clients are thinking that just by saying a name of a haircut, the barber is going to execute a good haircut. And I'm telling you right now, please stop doing that. What do you do instead? All right? I think you need to focus more on describing and letting them know what shape you're looking for, the length that you're looking for, parts of the head that maybe you may not like when it comes to how your hair looks. For example, I'm looking for a haircut to where the front, I don't like when it's really long in the front to where it covers my eyebrows. I like it a little shorter above my eyebrows. Not really short, but I just don't like when it's beyond my eyebrow. The sides, I don't like to see a lot of hair on the sides. I don't mind doing fading it up from a number 1 guard or, a pretty short fade to where it blends into the top. I don't want it to be really high and shaved up really high here. I like to have the hair maybe look shorter and then start fading maybe in through here, and it works into the top, something very, very natural. The back can be shorter, obviously, and the top, just something to kind of match up to where it's this long here. I like to wear it down. I also want the option to slick it back. So you see what I'm saying? I'm describing the hairstyle that I actually want. Not once did I say, give me a drop fade mullet with a mop top undercut. I mean, as a hair professional, I'd be like, wait, what what are you talking about? So I think, and I see these comments all the time, when you go in to get your haircut and the hair professional asks you, what are we doing today? You just simply have to explain to them what it is that you really want. And if you're going to the same person for many, many years, it's a lot easier of a conversation because they already know your hair, right? They know your hair and they know what to do. But if it's somebody that you're going to for the first time, this becomes even more important. Now, here is another example. Let's just take this mannequin right here, this haircut, and some of you may be saying, oh my gosh, what is that haircut? I want this haircut. Salon guy, give me that haircut now. Look at all this length in here. All right, here's another prime example of a haircut that you may want, or maybe you have this now, and it's just way too long, and you want something more like this, right? You want something that's shorter, a bit more textured. So, all right, Tom, what are we doing today? And this is your current hairstyle. Well, you clearly identify the first major thing is my hair is extremely long. Typically my hair is half of what this is. I haven't had a haircut in probably 7 months or so. It's been growing out. Yeah, I know people say it looks good, but it's just so long. Typically, I wear the sides quite a bit shorter. No clippers, mostly done by hand. So it's kind of like a shorter haircut. It would look like it's a longer buzz with clippers, but it's all done by hand to where it all blends into the top. And the top is maybe 2 inches long or so, 2.5 inches the most, so I can just kind of mess it up and spike it. and give it kind of a textured look, which is exactly what this is. Not once did I mention, oh, give me like, maybe if you want to reference, okay, Brad Pitt from Fight Club, or, Brad Pitt from the movie F1. If there's a specific haircut of somebody as like a person or an actor or some musician, a sports player, you can reference Cristiano Ronaldo. Remember when he had like that side part in his hair, shaved in and it was slicked over? I like that look. Okay, that's fine. You can refer to names of people. But when it comes to trying to focus so hard on just the name of a haircut, I think many of you are just mesmerized by that because you're being brainwashed by seeing all these like, new school barbers and all these people on social media. They're not really giving you the right direction. You're going to end up getting a haircut that doesn't even suit you. Yes, you may get a nice, low taper fade around here, but what's it fading into? You know what I mean? They may create a whole new look, a whole shape on the top of your head that doesn't even suit you, but you're still getting that low taper fade. So I think in reality, and this is the biggest difference between having years and years of experience, like myself, over 30 plus years, working on thousands of clients and really training and honing my craft with extensive training to understand like really what a haircut is, building up, a huge clientele and understanding shapes and haircuts and what people really, really want and what's going to work best for them. So if you are interested in a VIP experience with me, I offer virtual Zoom call consultations. I do these with people all over the world. I get flooded with people booking these with me. It's a literal one-on-one Zoom call to where I analyze your hair just like we're doing. It's very, very in-depth. I even create images, customized images of hairstyles for you based off of a few images you send me of yourself. I go through the whole thing. It's a really, really in-depth process. It's equivalent to probably getting like 9 haircuts in one, the value of it. So you can actually book it right here. You pick a time based off of when I'm available. It's limited days because I'm really, really busy. And hopefully that can help you. And again, I get people from all over the place booking these with me, and I'm helping people on a regular basis on how to get better haircuts. In the end, it comes down to the hair professional, because I've done consultations, given the direction, they go and they try, and then the stylist or the barber cuts it too short. They don't really understand. They're not, there's a lot of other challenges that we face, but it's a great service to check out. Let me know if you found this video helpful and you understand what I'm saying when it comes to stop focusing so much on names of haircuts. All right? I'd love to hear your comments, read your comments, and hear back from you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.